Welcome to UNIRUB Techno India Private Limited, a trusted name in engineered rubber solutions and inflatable technologies. We specialize in manufacturing high-performance rubber bladders for foam proportioning systems, surge tanks, expansion vessels, and hydronic HVAC applications. Our products are built to ensure safety, reliability, and long service life. Each bladder is manufactured from robust nylon reinforced rubber-coated fabrics, including nitrile, BUNA-N, Butyl, EPDM, or high-palin, selected based on the chemical compatibility, pressure range, and system design. These flexible membranes are installed inside metal tanks and act as pressure equalizers and shock absorbers. In foam systems, they ensure efficient storage and controlled discharge of AFFF or RAFFF foam concentrate. In surge vessels, they absorb pressure spikes, preventing water hammer and pipe damage. Our bladder solutions are